Good morning. This is formerly Irish Chippy. This is our new channel. I'd like you to do. It's just going to be purely gardening. There's going to be no carpentry in it. So I'm going to give you a quick run around our garden here. And this one here, Carolina Reaper. This is going well. And look the size. I can do with my hand. This one is doing really well. And the name of this one is Primo Yellow. Now this is a Bhut Jolokia Chocolate, not doing very well at all. Along here I have peri, see the purple chili. I don't know if you can see it. They're like bird's eye purple, and on the front, oh, that needs water. On the front we have Labuyo. Labuyo is Filipino chili. It's bird's eye type as well. Here are Carolina Reapers. We have some Carolina Reapers here. These ones are Naga Vipers. These ones here are called Pretty in Purple. They're a little round bowl, like a cherry, only they're purple, yellow, white, red, orange. It can be all at the same time. So they finish off red, obviously. These are just normal, what we would call here is Sinigang Chilies. They'd be like Anaheim or something like that. These are all Vipers. Vipers grow. I have plants of Vipers, the one I showed you in the beginning. Many fruits on them. We harvest them every day. I have about 10 plants there. Some of them not doing so well. These are Sinigang Chilies here. These are kind of Sinigang, but they're a different variety. I think they got mixed up because I left them behind. Down here then we have, this is a mature Labuyo. Don't tell you, the birds eat them, so they don't last very long on the thing. There's the birds after eating them off there. They're tiny! World record for small chilies. These ones are, I don't know. These ones are not so hot. This one is the Theory Alternatia going in flower. That's not a chili. They look good looking, but they're not really hot enough. So this is a new channel. I'll be showing you how to grow these later on this channel, and please subscribe. I don't think I have any subscribers as I'm making this, so I will be doing seeds and things like that with you. Okay, bye.